We have completed our tour of the inner planets, and now it is time to move towards the outer planets. Warning: asteroid belt ahead. Thousands of irregular small celestial bodies revolve around the Sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. They are called asteroids or planetoids. It is believed that they are fragments of planets that existed between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter a long time ago. Now that we have dodged the asteroids, let's visit Jupiter. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It is also known as the gas giant because most of the planet is made up of liquid and gas. Jupiter is a cloudy, windy, and stormy planet. It is always covered by a layer of clouds. It completes one revolution in almost 12 years. Jupiter has 63 known satellites. Its satellite, Ganymede, is the largest satellite in the solar system. Look at the beautiful planet. Let's go towards Saturn. Can you see the ring around the planet? Saturn is the planet with a ring around it. The ring around Saturn is made up of rock and ice particles. These particles range in size from tiny specks of dust to the size of a house. Some particles can even be as large as a few kilometers wide. Saturn is the second largest planet of the solar system. It consists mostly of gas and liquid, though it may have a small core of rock and ice. Like Jupiter, even Saturn has many satellites. Scientists have so far identified 56 satellites, and new ones are still being discovered. Saturn's biggest satellite, Titan, is almost as big as some planets. Saturn takes 29 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. It is now time to head to Uranus. Uranus has 11 rings. They are dark in color and very hard to see. Uranus consists mostly of rock and ice. Uranus also has 27 known satellites. The 5 main ones are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. Uranus takes a whopping 84 years to revolve once around the Sun. It means you can celebrate only one birthday at Uranus in 84 years. Neptune is the farthest planet of the solar system. Its diameter is almost 4 times that of the Earth. Neptune consists mainly of rock and metal in the core. The core is surrounded by rock, water, ammonia, and methane. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Neptune appears blue-green because of the presence of methane in its atmosphere. It takes 165 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. Neptune has 13 satellites.